Bonjour, c'est Claire à Clearly French. This video is about the many meanings of the word coup in French. There's so many of them. I sifted through them all and only kept, there's quite a lot already, but kept the main ones that you might need in daily life. And stay tuned till the end because we're going to have a look at expressions using coup. The broad meaning of un coup is something swift, sudden and unexpected, like a blow, a kick, a clap, a bolt, a gust, a shock, a shot. You get the idea. So un coup on its own is a shock, as in ça m'a fait un coup, it gave me a shock, or a knock, as in a knock on the door. Un coup de feu is gunshot. Un coup de pied is a kick. Un coup bas is a blow below the belt. Un coup de foudre has two meanings, one literal, a bolt of lightning, and one figurative, love at first sight. Un coup de tonnerre, a thunderclap, and un coup de vent, a gust of wind. It could also be for un coup de théâtre, a plot twist, un coup de chance, a stroke of luck, un coup d'état, a government overthrow. It also has the idea of something swift, sudden or impulsive, like a stroke, a sweep or an impulse decision. Un coup de génie, a stroke of genius. Un coup d'œil, a glance, which is actually a sweep of the eye. Un coup de tête, a whim. Un coup de cœur, when you have an instant favorite, when you really like something first time and that's only ever used for things. Un coup de pinceau, a brush stroke. Un coup de chiffon, a sweep of the cloth when you're cleaning something. Un coup can have other meanings. For instance, un coup de téléphone, a phone call. Un coup de fil, which is the same thing but more familiar, a phone call or a buzz, give me a buzz. Un coup de main, help, as in donne-moi un coup de main, give me a hand. Un coup de soleil, sunburn. Un coup de fatigue, a wave of tiredness. And now let's have a look at important daily expressions using un coup. And we're going to start with the standard everyday expressions, and then we'll do the familiar ones. D'un coup, in one go. Tout à coup, suddenly. Sur le coup, at first or at the time. Après coup, after the event or afterwards. Du premier coup, the first time. And now let's have a look at the familiar daily expressions. Boire un coup, to have a drink. Du coup, so or as a result. À tous les coups, every time. Those three are the main ones you will need on a daily basis. Then you could also need avoir le coup, to have the knack. Être dans le coup, to be with it or to be in the know. Or être sur un coup, to be onto something. Remember to claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. And also check out my Parler Français Level 1 to 3 course to speak French fast. You can download a free sample of each level at the link below.